Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, udaba engifisa sikhulume ngalo namuhla udaba lika Floyd. Sizokhumbula ukuthi kulonyaka ofile bekunama elections, national elections, ANC lapha yenzanga kahle, ithole 40%. Ngaleso sizathu kwase kuyiphoqa ukuthi ayithole amanye ama political parties ezohlangana nawo benze i-coalition. Le abagcine bona bayibiza nge-GNU, Government of National Unity, kodwa yona i-coalition. Ama political parties amaningi njengomkhonto wesizwe, EFF, iDA, FF Plus namanye. ANC ngokusho kwayo yakhuluma nayo. Kodwa ke kwagcina mhlawumbe kungafika ngesivumelwano. Siyakhumbula ukuthi iMK party vele nje wasekuqaleni kwakubonakala ukuthi le it's a no ngeke izilunge ngoba MK party yayingamfuni uRamaphosa. Yathi yona ingangena kwi government of coalition government if nje ANC ingasusa uRamaphosa ngoba umuntu abangamfuni bona uRamaphosa. Kwathothi ke leyo demand inzima kakhulu vele leyo yayibonakala ukuthi ngeke iziyenzeka. Kodwa ke ikhona neEFF ile sizongena kuyo ngoba kule viki esisuka kulo kukhulunywe kakhulu ngayo. Manje ngifisa ukuthi sike sikhulume nathi ngayo, siveze ukuthi kwenzakalani, sithathe bona laba basitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba sekukuningi okukhulunyiwe. Umama uNomvula Nonkonyane bekakhuluma ku SMWX, uFloyd urespondile. Ilokho ke ngifisa ukuthi sixoxe ngakho. Kodwa ngaphambi singene nje eintweni eziningi, ngiyacela subscribe ku channel, like i-video, comment, uyishare nabanye. Ujoin membership yale channel iqala ku 20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Ungadonate futhi ku channel, click nje super thanks ngalokho nakho singakujabulela futhi. Ngiyacela ukuthi ngikucaphunele idemand yomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi yona yayithini. Cela uzwe la.
Ramaphosa is the president of the ANC, and if you come to us with those demands, forget. If you come to us with a demand that Ramaphosa must step down as a president, that is not going to happen. We've got no such mandate. We are not going to engage with political parties on the basis that we don't want to talk to so and so and so. We're not going to do that because we don't run political parties. You asked me about MK party. We've got many reservations about that party, but we will talk to them. If they want to work with us, we will map out how we want to do, but no political party will dictate terms like that to us as the ANC. We will not. That is a no-go area to everyone. It's a no-go area. It's a no-go area. You come to us with that demand, forget. And I've heard some.
Njengoba bengichazile ke ekuqaleni ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party bona babethe bona bangangena kwi-coalition ne-ANC if nje ingasusa uRamaphosa. Kodwa ufikile Mbalula la uyasichazela ukuthi ayikho political party neyodwa bazoyivumela ibadictatele ukuthi ufuna kwenziwe njani. Funa bona kukhulunywe kuboniswana ukuthi kungabuswa kanjani ngoba nje uthi MK party uxhumene, kodwa bayazi ukuthi MK party ayimfuni uRamaphosa. Ngisho ukuthi ke isona sizathu esenza ukuthi indaba ye coalition phakathi kwe-ANC ne-MK igcine engaphumelelanga ngoba i-MK yayingamfuni uRamaphosa. I-ANC le manje bayibiza ngokuthi the ANC of Ramaphosa. Isho ukuthi i-MK party ayinankinga ne-ANC yona ngokwayo, kodwa inenkinga ne-ANC kaRamaphosa. So uMbalula la uthi it's a no-go area. Awusonde nje nakusondela ukuthi uRamaphosa umfuni. So ingakho kama negotiations engenzeka noma thina nje la sasibona ukuthi uma ngase kuhlangane iEFF, iANC neMK kuzobe kuhama parties lawa amela abantu abamnyama, kodwa ke nazi into zokuqala ezenza ukuthi igcine bengahlangananga. Sizobacaphuna ke babe baningi ngoba sizoveza ukuthi uma le wayifisa yena ukuba ingxenye yeGNU la thumela khona uFloyd kanye noMbuyiseni Ndlozi nabanye noSG wabo uMarshall Dlamini nabanye ukuthi babe khona noMaude konje ubando sisinkohla igama lakhe ukuthi babe khona makuyo negotiator. Kodwa ke manje ngifisa ukuthi simcaphune uJulius, siphinde simcaphune uMbalula, so lo mnje sibacaphuna nxa size sifike kule esizokhuluma ngayo kaFloyd.
Bonke bathetha ngecoalition. If ANC drop below 50 ndikhona, I'm prepared to work with you. But Tina will be out of power, it's fine. Gulo bayazifuna petrol kwethu likai Tatembaks. Yeah, basibulisa singababone ebusuku. Bathi lento siyakuyo icoalition. Akho coalition izakwenza kapha sithi chithani lo manzi akho nkukhu izawuxhelwa.
Bucks la wayikhuluma before ama-elections ngoba yabona i-confidence nokuzethemba nje kuyinto ebalulekile. Bake babatshela abanye ukuthi hayi ANC ngathi ayizukwenza kahle kodwa wathola ukuthi uyazithemba kakhulu. Uthi-ke lakho coalition ezokwenzeka la bona nje bazowina. Angeke bona babe below 50%. Ngingathi ukwezethemba kuyinto ebaluleke kakhulu la. Ilokho nje singakufunda ngoMbucks ukuthi ngendlela azethemba ngayo nayithemba ngayo iANC wala noma bembonisa sithi siZulu isala kutshela sibona ngomopho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ufundile la yingakho ngilande emuva ukuthi isukaphi le ndaba. Ngiyilande emuva noma ngingayihambisi ngokwe-order kodwa ngifuna ukuyilanda emuva uze sifike kule ndaba esisiya kuyo kodwa sibe sazi ukuthi isukaphi. Sesizwile okokuqala ukuthi kungani MK ingabanga ingxenye ye-coalition le abayibiza nge-GNU namuhla. Siyazi ukuthi kungani sesidlulile lapho sesiveza la ukuthi ukuze kugcine kuba nale ingxoxo ze-coalition yingoba Mbalula bakhona babatshela ukuthi hayibo uma ngenza nithole less than 40% futhi lento abazange bayiplane yingakho kwase ukuthi njoba sephuma election kwafuneka ke manje bahambe bakhulume nalama political parties ngoba kube yenzeka lento before babezoyiplan. Kodwa ke wafika ngoba umkhondo wesizwe wabaphazamisa kune video le angeke ngize ngifakele lasho khona uMbalula uthi uZuma nje baphazamisile. Manje sizocaphuna la uMbalula ezochaza khona ukuthi bona ngesikhathi behlangana neEFF yini mhlawumbe yaba inkinga. Ngifuna siqale sicaphuna uMbalula bese siyadlula ke siqhubekele phambili.
New anecdotes of some of the defects of what is happening in this country. And I've used the EFF as an example because the EFF are the people we regard as close to us in the left. We didn't go to the DA and ask them to govern. We didn't. I went to Julia's party, EFF, and asked them. And then he said, no, we can't govern with you. You are corrupt. I did because I thought this is where we are. He doesn't define himself on the right. And ANC people, some of them said, you are not talking enough with the EFF. EFF gave us 10 commandments to answer. I've never had such a difficult homework, even in my school days. You know, writing a homework and all of that, and then send it back to Floyd. And then he marks read all of it. I said, no.
Sesimzule kuMbucks uthi into yokuqala abayenza baya ku-EFF bakhulumisana nabo bathe be-EFF angeke bekwazi ukusebenzisana nabo ngoba ba-corrupt. Uthi kodwa abanye ku-ANC bathi abaqhubeke bakhulumisane ne-EFF ngoba bebona ukuthi bangagavana bonke. Baseke bethi EFF iyona umuntu ozolida ama-negotiations for EFF. Ngaleso sikhathi uFloyd bekasese-i-deputy president ye-EFF uFloyd Shivambu uthi ke wabanika i-10 commandments mayesho yena imithetho eyishumi. Uthi ke uyayiqala ukuthola i-homework enjeya akaze ayithola homework eyinzima kanjeya ngisho ngesikhathi esafunda isikole. Uthe bebuyile ke naleyo mpendulo leyo kulezi zinto lezi azifuna uFloyd mhlawumbe asizazi ukuthi noba akazichaza. Uthi ke kodwa uFloyd nje wafana nomuntu omaka ngepeni eli-red ukhombisa ukuthi hayi yonke lento abayisho akayi-approve yonke lonto lena. So siyathola ke manje ukuthi uFloyd ngathi nguye onga-approvanga into eningi lezi ezenza ukuthi ama-negotiations wabangahambi kahle. Kodwa asizi ukuthi utheni uJulius yena emveni kwalapho.
MK, ANC, EFF is the same family. We come from the same things. There is nothing I'm saying today which Nelson Mandela did not say, by the way. Everything that we are saying, it is in the Freedom Charter. So when you say the EFF demanded unreasonable thing, Just tell us one thing which they ask for, which is outside the Freedom Charter. What is it? This illiterate Mbalula will never tell you what is the story about the whole thing. He has got no idea. He just says, no, they are unreasonable. Now they are telling us that there are black parties. What about black parties? When people have sold out, they will say all kinds of things they want to say. But it's not true. We have never made unreasonable demand. One of the unreasonable demands we made in 2016 was that Zuma must resign as a president before we give the ANC our votes. They refused. In this year negotiations, we said, we're not even asking for your president to resign. If you don't want to go into a government with us, we are prepared as the EFF to sit outside government, but vote for a minority government, which is what we're doing in Gauteng, by the way. The ANC in Gauteng refused to go with the DA. As a result, they've got 36%. From time to time, for them to pass anything, they come to the EFF and MK and say, these are the issues we negotiate, we vote for them. The ANC said no to DA. They passed their budget. What stopped Ramaphosa? The ANC in Gauteng does that with 36%. Ramaphosa has got 40%. What stops him from constituting a minority government? Wes, Mapantiti are prepared to give him their percentage. Olomisa is prepared to give him a percentage. PAC is prepared. So it's even beyond 40%. With all those as convicts, criminals, that's how disparate they are. They even go and take criminals into government. Now the criminals are embarrassing them because they don't know anything about governance. So Cyril can govern this country, doesn't need the DA, he doesn't need the Freedom Front Plus. But because he is sold out, he can never go on without those people.
Ayisiyamuzwa ke usiyayisila echaza ukuthi bona abalanga ukuhlangana kuba kwi-coalition ne-ANC. Futhi lento esho uMbalula ukuthi izinto ababe ezifuna zi-unreasonable mag-negotiator lapha. Azikho uzuthi ayikho neyodwa into as EFF abafike bayipropose engekho ku-Freedom Charter. Anyway, le Freedom Charter eyayi ANC. Le Freedom Charter eyayi ANC. Kodwa manje azikho izinto uthi kodwa ngoba uMbalula akafundile yengakho ethi bafika nama demand unreasonable. So uyabona ukuthi uyamzwila uMbalula ukuthi uFloyd wafika nama commandments ayemaningi. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe le Freedom Charter lezinto abazithatha ku Freedom Charter ababefuna zenzeke bethi cha iNC phela yathi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi ku Freedom Charter sifuna lezi zinto lezi ziqale zenzeke kwabanzima ku-ANC ukuthi ivume uze ethi uMalema la bona they are willing ukuthi noma bengangenanga kwi-government nayo i-ANC kodwa bavote nayo ukuze i-ANC iphathe uthi njoba kwenzeke eGauteng i-ANC makufuneka ithathe isinqumo ihlangana ne-MK party ne-EFF kunegotiate iphasise leyo nto efuna ukuyiphasise ngoba irula under a minority government uthi futhi ayidingi ANC iDA neFF plus ngoba ama parties ababe nenkinga nawo kakhulu iDA neFF plus iANC ingakwazi yona ngokwayo nje ukuphasisa ukwenza ima-minority government futhi ingaba na more percent community ANC iFF ina 9%. So ANC nje ina 40 kuzoba 9% bese nje ubabiza ke ngamabhanti into K18 iPatriotic Alliance ukube nayo yayijoyina angazi na how many percent kodwa uyabona ukuthi iANC vele besekuthi kuyalunga ngoba neUDM nayo yajoyina njoba kwenzekile neATM okungukuthi ANC yayengakwazi ugovernor without EDA ilento esho ke uMalema uthi kodwa ngoba babizothi ba sold out bathengise ba sold out bengeke bakwazi ukuthi babuse ngaphandle kwalama political parties asizweke manje ukuthi umama uNomvula noNkonyane utheni yena yini eyenza ukuthi ama negotiations angahambi kahle sesingena ngqo manje odabeni lika Floyd.
The National Executive Committee of the ANC put together a negotiating team. I happened to be part of that, led by the SG. The mandate was go and talk to everybody, invite everybody. And the first people we interacted with, interestingly, was the EFF.
First?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
The first. And they put demands that just undermine organizational culture.
First gaba sokuqala la uyachaza umama ukuthi ipolitical party yokuqala nje abaxhumana nayo ukuze babe ku coalition yokuqala nje abaxhumana nayo kwaba iEFF after iNEC seyikhiphe inegotiating team yena wayengxenye yayo kanye no SG Secretary General ufikile Mbalula uMbax bafike ba negotiate I political party yokuqala nje abahlangana nayo bawo negotiate na kwakuyiEFF sesikuzwile lokho ngithi asikuchaze nje sithi singene endabeni sibe singena ukuthi kwase konakala lapho ngoba lasine interest khona bese siyoza ukuthi uFloyd yena uphendule wathini manje sesizwile ukuthi ipolitical party yokuqala aba negotiate nayo kwaba iEFF kwase kwenzakalana.
Part of what we were told was, no, we want to work with you. The SG of MKP came, Floyd, telling us, no, the EFF wants to work with you because our intention is to strangle you and kill you and bury you. And, okay, fine, that's fine. We'll see. We'll strangle and kill the other. But on condition you give us the deputy president. If you are not going to remove President Ramaphosa, you give us the deputy president. He said, no, that's not how you negotiate. Here are the principles. What are you saying about these principles? They did not. And the second, the third, we met the EFF 4 times. And the last time they came, they lectured us, told us how useless we are, how they are mobilizing progressives, and how they are going to have their own candidate with everybody, including the DA, to counter our candidate. The DA will vote with them. And if you know Floyd, you know Floyd. And thereafter he stood up and he left. After the lecture and the insults and stuff. Wow. We were with the national chair of the ANC, if you know the national chair of the ANC. But he was so meek that day, he couldn't believe what was happening to us.
Yeah.
The SG was there, and Floyd was leading the charge with Ndlozi.
Wow.
Yes, and they then left.
Sizwile ukuthi okokuqala nje abakusho ukuthi bafuna ukusebenzisana nabo kodwa inhloso yabo ukubakenya bababulale babangcwabe. Ayile statement lesi angisizwa kahle. Angazi umuntu makuthiwa nizosebenzisana akutshela ukuthi hayi thina singasebenza nawe kodwa inhloso yethu sifuna ukukenya sikubulale sikungcwabe. Ungaqhubeka kanjani usebenze naye kodwa usho njalo mama uthi uFloyd washo njalo. Simphikise ngoba sasingekho phela thina sizwa lokho okushiwoyo kodwa nje le statement mosilalela kubantu ekuthiwa nifuna ukusebenzisana nabo ukuthi bangasho statement esinjalo asazi ke emveni kwalapho ke uthi ke bahlangana ngoba bahlangane 4 times uthi kodwa kuloko kugcina ufikile uFloyd ngoba nitshela ukuthi ke wabatshela the way ba useless ngakhona wayisethi kubo uma ke bona icondition yodwa manje ngoba abafundisa uRamaphosa ababanikeze irole yoka deputy president uthi bona bathi cha lokho ngakwenzeke nanka ama principles mina ngiyaxakeka ukuthi kwase sekufike kanjani kuma position waphela kwakusa negotiate uthi singeke sakwazi ukusebenzisana na kodwa ke ilento ayishoyo uNovulani Konyane la kodwa sizolalela ke siqhubeke kodwa mawukhumbula esiyidlala ekuqaleni uMalema uthi as EFF they were willing ukuthi basebenzisane neANC kahle kahle okwenzakalayo la yini ngazi noma yimodizi noma ongezwisisi kahle Okwenzakalayo la yini ngoba if EFF was willing to work with the ANC, manje sekufika kanjani la abathi khona uFloyd ubatshele weba useless ngakhona? Ngabe lokhu kwakuyiplan kaFloyd yokuthi adestroy ukuthi EFF ingakwazi ukungena coalition ngoba yena ezazi ukuthi uya ku-MK, kodwa wayinondlozi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi inzondo kaJulius Malema ngondlozi isuka la. Ngiyacabangela nje uma kodwa lokhu kuyiqiniso. uFloyd ke ubhalile i-tweet ephendula mayelana nale video le. Ithi sicaphune yona bese siyivala i-video. uFloyd Shivambu wareposta i-post ka Dr. Sizwe Mpofu. Wayesebhala lamagama alandelayo njengoba wabona ku screen, ngizowasho ngesiZulu. Uthi ngabe sinawo nama medical facilities okulapha ubuxoki namanga la eSouth Africa, noma icondition efuneka siphile nayo na? uNomvula unamanga naye uyazi naye ukuthi uqamba amanga ngama negotiation process. Uthi okuhle ngalento ukuthi kunama recordings ama meetings la wenzeka. Ilokhu kokushiwo uFloyd. Iyona ke into ebhalwe uFloyd Shivambu le lathi khona ulo mama lo uqamba amanga, kodwa athi kuhle yena ngayo yonke lento le ukuthi kunama recordings ayo yonke lama negotiations ama meetings yobayenzeka. Hey, yazi into esengiyifisa, ngifisa sengathi uFloyd angangacaphuna nje into eyiningi, angacaphuna nje ingcenye nje ibalekile, asiprovele ukuthi cha lo mama lo lento ayishoya ayilona iqiniso. Ile video ke bengithi angiyenze, ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho mayelana nalolu daba. Ngabe uFloyd ngempela bambetray na uJulius ukuze iEFF ingabi ingxenye ye coalition? Ngabe bambetray na? Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi ngabe uFloyd noNdlozi bambetray na uJulius, ngoba phela uJulius ushilo uthi bona they are willing ukuthi basebenzisane ne-ANC, futhi they are even willing ukuthi bangabi in government but bavote ne-ANC as long as i-DA ingeze ukuba ingxenye yalokho. Ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like i-video, share nabanye, comment e-comment section. Mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo.